my aunt removed the bag in her eyes in 8 days thanks to this. This testimonial corresponds to a boy from Salamanca. Over the years, our body is changing little by little. Since we are children, we begin to grow, our organs are developing, and finally we become adults. However, the process of change continues even after reaching maturity. The only difference is that now some changes are for bad. We lack energy, lose sight and hearing, and end up getting wrinkles, especially on the face. And let's not talk about the bags in the eyes, which are very ugly. However, we can stop worrying about this problem in our eyes. A homemade cream has now been discovered that will eliminate these problems quickly and without much effort. It is a cream made with onion and dill. This home lotion removes dark spots, whitens your skin and leaves you looking healthy. And it eliminates the bags of the eyes like by magic. As for the onion, this is rich in vitamins and minerals. With its juice, we can acquire essential oils with high levels of potassium and manganese. For such reason, it is widely used to cure urinary tract diseases, fever and inflammation in the eyes. Here's how to prepare this fabulous cream. Ingredients: 150 grams of onion, 200 milliliters of grapefruit juice, 10 grams of dill, mineral water 100 milliliters. Preparation and use: 1. Bring the water to a boil over the crushed onion. Let it boil for 15 minutes over low heat. After that time, we turn off the burner and allow it to cool. Once it is cold, we add the rest of ingredients and mix very well. Finally, empty into a glass container and refrigerate. 2. This lotion should be applied every day in the morning and afternoon. It will cleanse and close our pores while whitening the skin of our face. Thanks to its powerful properties, in a short time the stains on our face and freckles will disappear. In turn, the skin will gain smoother and natural shine that will make us have a unique face.